If the Instagram Notes feature is not showing on your phone, here are some steps you can try to fix the problem. First step, open Instagram on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once you've opened your Instagram, you'll usually see the Notes feature when you swipe your screen to the right and you open the chat box. In my case, however, the Notes feature is not working, so here is what I'll do. Press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then press the settings button and look for privacy. Once you're here, press active status, which is just below guides, and make sure that the show your active status option is turned on. You'll notice it's turned on if the button is color blue. Once you've done this and the feature is still not showing, another thing you can try is by opening your app store and checking if the Instagram application is up to date. So on your App Store search tab, simply search for Instagram and check if there are any updates available. Here, just press the Instagram icon and press the update button if it's available. Once the update is complete, just press the open button and it will lead you back to Instagram. If updating the app still doesn't make the note feature show up, another thing you can try is by going to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then press the settings icon. Here, just scroll down until you see the help button and then press the report a problem button. Make sure to turn off the shake phone to report a problem option. Once you're here, just press don't include if you do not want to include screenshots, and it will lead you to this page where you have to type what problem you are experiencing. In my case, I'll simply write that the notes feature on my Instagram account is working and I need help from Instagram. Once you're done typing your concern, just press send and wait for a few minutes, hours, or even days for Instagram to work on your report and problem. And that's the steps you can do to try and fix the notes feature problem on your Instagram account. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.